Detroit Public Television is sad to report the passing of George Riley, for whom the Riley Broadcast Center is named. George's lifelong interest in electronics, which he mastered in the Navy, led him to open a TV repair business in 1952. That grew into Clover Technologies in Wixom, now the site of DPTV's studios. When George sold the business, he and his wife Dolores established the Riley Foundation to give back to the community, including many facilities that bear the Riley name and special outdoor camps for disadvantaged children that continue to this day. A $5 million gift from the Rileys became the cornerstone of DPTV's capital campaign in 2005. It's a vivid demonstration of their belief that public TV improves America's future through continued education for all. The station he loved reflects his values. We'll miss his dedication to service, and we're proud to continue the legacy of George Riley.